Gina, the way you're acting right now, Gina, you can't sit down there. I can't sit down right here. Ma'am, just sit down right here.
Ma'am, listen.
Whoa. Right, come on. Come on, rest. Come on.
Oh my god, no.
We also need to search her pockets.
The 26th of March, 2025. Location, U.S. Airport. Terminal departure gate. Incident intoxicated. Passenger arrest charges. Obstruction, public drunkenness. 13. Felony drug possession. Counts.
Well, Gina, the way you're acting right now, they're not going to let you fly. Because you seem like you're intoxicated on something. Right? So, have you had anything that don't, just be honest with us.
I will be I had shots in the airport. But
What time is your flight today? Gina? Gina, when's the last time you drank something or took something? Have you been did you have some drinks last night or today? Just be honest.
No, not today. I just saw my sister in Orlando, and that's probably it.
Okay, well, the way you're acting, like I said, they're not going to let you fly. So, what time is your flight today? Because right now, if you went to the gate, they probably would not let you board. So, but do me a favor, finish tying your shoe. We don't want you to trip.
What I'm telling you is that if they don't let me board my flight, it's going to be a huge problem.
Well,
She has to take her shot of avoid it.
so
I know. I will do anything to avoid.
Okay, we'll start with tying your shoe.
okay, go ahead and tie your shoe so you don't trip.
And then we'll go from there, okay?
Let me see if I can get a CCS. Right, I can tell you that right now, the way that they're acting, they won't let you fly because they think you might be intoxicated, and they can't have you up in the air like that. Okay. Do you have anyone we can contact?
I don't. It's okay though. It's my
Okay.
fault. It's okay.
Who are you flying out with? First of all.
I'm not flying with anybody. I'm flying alone.
No. What airline are you flying with?
So I'm going to Orlando.
You're going to Orlando? And who are you flying to get to Orlando with? Like Delta?
My sister.
Which airline? Like Delta, American, United? Southwest. We just want to make sure.
Bad. I feel so bad about this. I'm so sorry.
We just want to make sure you're okay, all right? All right, once she does, ma'am, you're going to have to go onto the other side security. Either get a cab. I'll see if I can get a CCS to help you. Or you can go sit on the other side.
What's your name?
My name is Officer Davidson, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Davidson?
Yep.
I am going to write a good review for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amazing. I really appreciate you.
You want to sit down over here? I'll give you some first class ride, okay?
I can walk.
No, I think you should ride this, all right?
You should take a seat. Because you were stumbling earlier. We want to make sure you're okay. You're not, like I said, you're not.
Okay. Treat you like a queen. Come on, sit down.
Okay, but can I talk to you about...
Yeah, sure. Go ahead and have a seat. And yep, tell me everything. Let's go.
It's not alcohol. Because if she was that, let's say if she was that intoxicated, you'd be able to smell it.
Right. You're not smelling anything.
Nothing.
There's no smell. The eyes are dilated. And what they're saying, whatever she took right before she got on this plane. I think it was probably like not a Xanax, but something to help her be calm.
Something.
Miss Gina, we can't sit here all day. I just need you to do me a favor.
I'm not asking
No, I'm asking you. I'm asking you to get up so you can start walking, so we can get you out of here. Okay?
Alright, so I'll agree.
All right.
All right.
All right. Well, Do me a favor. Can you start walking forward a little bit? Because you are wobbling like no other. So do me a favor. Take a seat right here. You don't have to sit back down, ma'am. Look, you're not in trouble yet, but I need you to start listening. You can call your father and I'll talk to him. And then he'll probably talk to you and not in the way you want to be talked to. Or you can just hop in this chair. We'll take you on the other side. You can sit down there. No. Well, then you need to stand up and show us that you can actually walk without any problems. Because right now you've wavered. So stand up. Stand up, please. I want you to walk to that officer right there. You can't, ma'am. Excuse me. Okay, just sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down, please.
Stop.
Ma'am, sit down right here. Ma'am, just sit down right here.
There you go.
See?
Whoa.
Ma'am, listen. Man,
Whoa.
First off, you. I got her. Stop. Want to be in handcuffs? Let's
Go.
go.
Go ahead. No.
You got your... All right.
Stop.
Just do it.
Screw this shit. All right, come on. You're under arrest. Come on. You're under arrest for public intoxication. Stop resisting.
No,
Give me your hand.
Please, no. Stop.
Yeah. Go ahead.
No.
Hit the latch. Hit the latch right there. Perfect.
Calm me down.
Whoa.
Bro, please.
Show me one white female 1095.
No.
She slipped out of there?
Yes. Yeah.
I just want to talk to my dad.
She's gonna have no
She's
undouble lock.
I want to talk to
some
my
arrest.
dad, please. I want to talk to my dad, please.
Yeah, we can do
Help!
that.
Help! Somebody help me.
Gina, you had every opportunity.
Don't put your hands on me.
It's okay. Come on, chill
Oh
out.
my God, I need help. Help. Let me talk to my dad.
She's kicking.
Then get up and sit in the chair. You got...
There you go. There you go. Oh. This. You got the hat. You got that. Here's your hat.
Help.
Here's what it is.
Get your feet over here. Push your hat.
Yeah.
I asked you for this. I asked you for this. Call my dad now.
Miss Gina,
I swear to God, my dad will f***ing kill you. You have no idea who the f*** you're messing with. My dad will f***ing kill you. And I'm being stupid. My dad will literally kill you. So worry about it. He will kill you in the next week. I promise you. My dad will...
Hit the elevator.
Okay. Where's my phone?
your phone and stuff is in here. Let's go.
Okay, good.
Dude, there's no APs here. Sit down, Miss Gina.
Shut the f*** up!
Just...
Help! Somebody help!
Miss Gina!
No, stop!
Miss Gina!
Someone!
We are done with you. So you're going to sit down and you're going to listen to this officer. Sit down, put your feet up right now.
No.
Do you think we got an AP upstairs?
Help! Please,
Go get an AP, man.
We
Let me know if there's one upstairs or not. Dude, can you stop?
No, you're treating a woman like this. What the f is wrong with you?
We're trying to be nice to you.
No, you're not.
Yes, we were.
You're nice. I don't need to right
No,
now.
we're not gonna kill you.
Go ahead.
Just relax.
Somebody help.
Just different color.
Alcohol.
Yep.
Make sure you take a photo with that. How did she get that for the checkpoint?
Here, sir. Good point. Good point. Okay.
That's it?
Yeah, Xanax.
Yep. There you
Yep.
go.
It's a Xanny. So she took a Xanny with alcohol. That's why she's so jacked up.
That's the control substance.
Yep.
16, 13, 30.
And she doesn't have a prescription bottle.
Nope.
Why are you putting me in handcuffs?
Because you were intoxicated.
Let me talk to my father.
Sorry, it was, and then other things that
Let
we
me
found out
talk to my
afterwards.
father,
I
please,
won't go
right
into
now. Let
detail,
me
but-
talk to my father, please. I'm a young woman. I need to talk to my
Yes, sir.
father. This is so
No,
wrong.
we're in Georgia, Savannah,
This
Georgia.
is so wrong. Please, I'm not trying to fight with you. I just want to talk to my father. Please.
I understand. Sir, the only thing you do is you can contact the jail. And
Please,
we
please.
tried to work with her.
My grandfather is Chicago PD, and so is my father. So they know what's up. Just please let me
You can
speak
talk
to him.
Your dad told you to let. What did your dad say to
My
you?
father.
What did your father say to you?
I'm.
What did your father say to you? Did he follow our instructions? So right now, just sit here.
My father did not say that. Are you fucking retarded?
That's what he told me before you
Let's
hung
go put
up.
it in the car, man.
Yep.
No.
I got it. You can make sure. Listen up. Listen up.
Stop. Give me my phone. Let me talk to my dad.
Down.
Let me talk to my dad, please. No. Let me talk to my dad.
We also need to search her pockets, just in case she might have extra drugs. She's good. Okay. Good.
No. No. Let me talk to my dad. Let me talk to my dad, please.
You got a feet?
No, please.
Get a feet.
Please. I need to talk to my father. No. What are you doing?
The other leg.
I got it. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Other leg.
There you go. No.
I want to talk to my dad. Come on, I'm a young girl. No. You. I just want to talk to my
Got a seatbelt. Go. Got it. Just like. Here, I swear. Push all you want! Push all you want, madam! You're adding more to your charges!
I'm gonna fight. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Go ahead, hit me. I don't care. I don't care.
Jurisdiction Airport Police hold concurrent authority under state criminal law and federal aviation security law 49 USC Sec. 46318, which prohibits intoxicated persons from boarding commercial aircraft. Probable cause. Subject: voluntarily admitted alcohol consumption and ingestion of an unidentified substance before any custodial situation arose. Combined with observed stumbling and dilated pupils, this satisfies the totality of circumstances standard. Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983. Fifth Amendment. Self-incrimination. Pre-custody voluntary statements carry no Miranda protection. The admission I have shots in the airport is fully admissible because no custodial interrogation had commenced at that point. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436-1966 Arrest authority. A custodial arrest for a minor public order offense is constitutionally valid, where probable cause exists, regardless of the offense severity or availability of alternatives. Atwater v. I. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 318-2001. Use of force. Reasonableness of force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision based on severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. Not evaluated with 20/20 hindsight. Graham v. Connor 400 U.S. 386 et 2980. Search incident to arrest a lawful custodial arrest authorizes a full warrantless search of the person at the time of arrest. Discovery of alprazolam without prescription is admissible as a direct product of that search. United States v. Robinson 414. Controlled substance law. Alprazolam is a Schedule 4 controlled substance under the Controlled Substances Act, 21 U.S.C. 2nd A 812. Possession without a valid prescription violates 21 U.S.C. Sec. 844 and applicable state drug statutes independently. Multiplicity doctrine. Charging each pill as a separate felony count may constitute impermissible multiplication of a single criminal act. Defense counsel can challenge this as duplicative under the Blockberger same elements test. Blockberger v. United States 284 U.S. 2991932. Key lessons. 1. Voluntary admissions before arrest are fully admissible. 2. Physical resistance after lawful arrest multiplies criminal exposure. 3. Carrying prescription medication without its original container constitutes a standalone criminal offense in most U.S. jurisdictions. 4. Family connections to law enforcement provide zero legal defense.